abatuura abo barukora burunju bwansi beteriro maranga government ruje bakora Orutindo rwa Kyanjuki orukugite gombora ya Kirembe na division ya Burembia. Abatuura nibajara ngo Orutindo rwerarikiriize ahabwe mbere y'Irumu.
But of course the challenges we are getting is that some bad elements tampered with the bridge. They cut the lower part, and now it is risky for our school bus to reach the Kilembe Secondary School.
Down, you see that there is a disconnection of the containers and the tarmac on top. So it is really at a high risk that any vehicle, be it a saloon car or a bus, cannot pass through the bridge.
Abantu bagira ngo kutwara imishuburo yabo mu katare kibaberira mino garuguru.
Sometimes it overfloods and we have to first wait until the flooding has gone down. Our appeal is that we appeal to government to come and construct for us a better bridge so that the community above there, the community in Kyanjuki, can be well served.
Godfrey Kabyangoro Minister wa za Kanyabwenge hamwe no kuhaburi hanga omukuganiro na TV West najara government rumune iguro mugera gwa Nyamamba ahiguro koravero mu Rutindoru.
But it will not be worked on in 2 months, 1 year. It is a gradual process, because even if you put a bridge now, before you control the floods, it still will go. So right now they have started working on training the river, and this time the work is so good so that it doesn't spill over to the essential facilities.
Abatuura nibajara ngo abana bawo bwa hatano bateganisubwaho kuraba babana bazahishomero. Gashakwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.